Have you heard of acceptance and commitment therapy? Are you ready to dive in? No matter where you are in your ACT learning or what your fluency in ACT is, our ACT training series can help you get where you want to be. ACT 1, for professionals with little to no prior experience with ACT. ACT Bootcamp, for professionals with little to no prior experience with ACT and who want to accelerate learning with full ACT immersion training. ACT 2, for professionals who practice ACT but want more hands-on experience. ACT 3, for professionals already using ACT who want to apply it to their most complex cases. ACT 1, Introduction to Acceptance and Commitment Therapy. At an ACT 1, you'll leave with an experiential understanding of the 6 basic processes of ACT's psychological flexibility model, as well as how to apply it to case conceptualization and treatment planning. You'll gain practical skills for meeting clients where they are and fostering their willingness and openness to change. Dive into relational frame theory, the theory of language and cognition on which ACT is built. Consider attending an ACT 1 workshop if you are interested in ACT and want to start using it with clients. Want to understand the psychological flexibility model and how powerful ACT's 6 processes can be with your most difficult clients. Need some fresh tools to boost your therapeutic toolbox. Develop your core skills in acceptance and commitment therapy.
I learned skills I'll be able to apply to my practice immediately.
Very professional, well organized, and refined.
I finally understand relational frame theory.
For more information, visit praxiscet.com. Join us at an ACT 1 training. Praxis, continuing education and training.
Many voices.
One work.